Imagine this, just 30 days from now, your credit score is 100 points higher. That could mean lower interest rates, easier loan approvals, or even snagging your dream house or car. Sounds impossible? It's not. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how to make it happen step by step. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a big topic that can change your financial future. How to boost your credit score by 100 points in just 30 days. Whether you're starting fresh or fixing past mistakes, these tips are simple, actionable, and proven to work. Let's dive right in. 1. Check your credit report for errors. The first thing you need to do is get a copy of your credit report. You can do this for free at annualcreditreport.com. Look closely for mistakes, wrong balances, duplicate accounts, or errors in payment history. These small errors can have a big impact on your score. If you find one, file a dispute immediately. Credit bureaus are required to respond within 30 days. 2. Lower your credit utilization. Credit utilization is the percentage of your credit limit you're using. Keep it under 30%, but aim for 10% if you can. For example, if you have a $1,000 limit, don't let your balance exceed $100. Pay down high balances as much as possible. This is one of the fastest ways to see an improvement. 3. Request a credit limit increase. Did you know you can improve your credit score without paying a dime? Call your credit card company and ask for a limit increase. If approved, your credit utilization goes down instantly. But remember, don't use the extra credit to spend more. 4. Pay twice a month instead of once. Most people pay their credit card bill once a month. Instead, try paying twice. Even small payments every 2 weeks reduce the balance reported to credit bureaus, which can improve your score. 5. Become an authorized user. Ask a trusted family member with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their card. You don't even need to use the card. Their positive payment history and low balances can give your score a serious boost. 6. Keep old accounts open. Closing old credit cards might seem like a good idea, but it can hurt your score. Older accounts show a longer credit history, which lenders love. If you're not using a card, keep it open, but at a zero balance. 7. Don't apply for new credit. Every time you apply for credit, it triggers a hard inquiry, which can drop your score by a few points. Avoid applying for new cards or loans for the next 30 days. 8. Automate on-time payments. On-time payments are critical. They make up 35% of your credit score. Automate your payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Even one late payment can set you back significantly. 9. Build positive payment history. If you don't have much credit history, start building it now. Use your card for small, manageable purchases and pay it off in full every month. This creates a pattern of responsible use. Improving your credit score may sound like a daunting task, but with these simple steps, it's entirely possible to see a 100-point jump in just 30 days. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's the key to financial freedom. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. Let me know in the comments what your credit goals are for 2024.